Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be making some more floating gold resin coasters. I have about 1 ounce of clear resin on each of my coasters here, and these are coasters, Milky Way resin coasters actually, that I had made that just didn't turn out. So what you're seeing is actually the back side of the coasters, and you can do this with any glitter that you want. These actually just had 3 different types of glitter in them, and they're all the new twinkle glitters from Laura's Art Corner. There's light gold twinkle, I think of blue twinkle, and then Prussian blue twinkle. They're super pretty colors. So you can do this with any glittery base that you have. So just take whatever color glitter that you want, mix it with some clear resin, pour it in your coaster molds, demold them, tape the backs, and you'll be ready to do this layer of art that we're going to do today. And this is actually a great way to kind of repurpose coasters that you don't like too. If they don't turn out well, you can always go in and do an art layer like this on them. So I'm using the Pro Marine Pro Art resin. They sent this to me to try out. I added a good layer of clear, hit it with my heat gun to move it around, and now I'm going in with my alcohol inks. I went in with Vivid Pink, Vivid Purple, Prussian Blue, all from Dryer Days Art Studio, and I actually reserved about 2 ounces of clear for this set, and you can see I added way too much ink, so I was just drizzling on some clear there to kind of push those inks to the side, trying to bring up some of that glitter. Now I'm going to go in with the blue interference mica powder from Laura's Art Corner, and I was adding quite a bit on these because I had added too much alcohol ink, so I really wanted to add a lot of this blue interference to kind of counteract that. And now I'm going to go in with the Egyptian gold from Island Micas and More. It's a beautiful floating gold pigment, and just kind of add squiggly lines, making sure that I get a nice amount of gold on there. I'm going to hit it with my heat gun on high, just kind of move everything around, really pushing that gold out and blending everything together. Just like this, super easy. And I am going to go back in with some clear. I just wasn't 100% loving these, so I'm going to go in with some clear, and when you do this, it'll give you a really fun look because the clear is going to push all the pigments to the side and bring up that layer of glitter under there so you can really see that glitter. And I'm going to do clear on all of these, and you'll be able to see the difference. If you haven't seen my previous video, be sure to go check that out. I also made a set of floating gold resin coasters just like this in that video, and I didn't add much clear on those coasters like I'm doing to these ones. So you can see the difference in how the finished pieces turn out if you go in and add clear like this. It's a great way to kind of just, if you're not 100% loving them, just go in with some clear and add some clear on top, and it can really transform them and turn them into something that you're loving. After I added the clear, I was really happy with how they were looking. And I am using my new favorite mixing tools from Tracie Reed Acrylic Pouring with Friends. They're awesome for mixing your resin and your different pigments. I'll link them down below. I think it's $4 for a 4-pack, so not bad at all. And then after you're done mixing, just take some 91% isopropyl alcohol and a rag, wipe them off, and they're good to go for your next pouring session. So here's how they're looking with the wet finish. I'm going to let them dry for 24 hours, and here's how they turned out. Super pretty. I absolutely love these colors together. This one's probably my favorite of the 4 of them. It's got some really pretty lacing, and you can see that beautiful twinkle glitter under there from Laura's Art Corner. And like I said, you can use any color glitter you want for this. You just want to take your glitters. You can use as many as you want to. I wouldn't use more than 3 colors of glitter, but just mix your glitters up with some clear resin, pour them in a coaster mold, demold them, tape the backs, and then you can go in and do a art layer just like this on top of them, and you'll have some really beautiful coasters. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and if you like the video, please leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button, Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out a lot. I'll leave a few of my favorites at the end card screen of this video. Just click the picture and it'll take you straight to the video and you can go check it out. It really helps out my channel if you watch a few of my videos back to back. And as always, I'll link all the materials I've used down below in the description box, along with any coupon codes that I have. So if you guys want to get any of these products to try out, you can get a little bit of extra savings. And let me know if you guys have any questions down in the comments too. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys are all doing fantastic, and I will see you guys next week for another video. Bye, guys.